And in today's episode, we're gonna be chatting about your Google business profile. What is it? How you can set it up, how do you get verified, and so forth. So this will be your beginner's guide if you are a business owner, you just got into business, or you've been in business, you don't have one, and you're looking for ways to set it up and optimize your profile. Well, you've made it to the right place. This is where we're going to help you so that you can gain more customers online and gain that online visibility. So let's jump right into it. So now the first thing that you want to do, you want to head over to google.com, of which it's going to appear like this. That's how normally it appears, right? Yeah, but you want to focus on the top right here, over here. The first thing that you need to do is ensure that you are logged in into your Google profile, right? It's very important because it's going to be linked to your Google profile. So you want to ensure that you are logged in, and just right next to your Google profile account there, you'll see those dots there. Just click on them, and then when you click on them, there's a drop down menu that pops up, and what you want to focus on is the business profile manager. That's where we're going to be doing this exercise. So you just want to click on that. It's going to open a business profile manager, which is the one that you're going to use to set up your profile. Now here on the right hand side, as you can see here, over here, there's add business. So you want to come here and click on that, and it's gonna drop down two options, which is add a single business or import the businesses. You want to focus on add single business, and then immediately after doing that, it's going to open up this page where it's going to ask you to start building your business profile, asking for your business name, asking for your business category. Normally when it comes to the business name, I always advise people that want to set up online businesses to have what we call a keyword in your name. So if you are a photographer, you'd want to say kids photography, what. If you're a plumber, you'll say Sam's plumbing, stuff like those. You want to have what you do in the business name, the keyword of what you do. So in my case, I'll say photography branding, which is the business I'm going to be setting up here. Photography branding is all about improving businesses' images in the digital marketplace. So if you are not happy with how you are perceived online, how you appear online to your prospects, we are able to help you, and we use a very powerful tool called photography in telling that particular story. And now you want to set up your business category. This is very important. This is your keyword that you're going to be ranked for. So what you actually want to do is put in what you do. So in this case, we are a photo agency. We help businesses use photos to benefit their businesses. So we're going to put in a photo agency in this case. Then you go to next. You'll be done with that. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to add a location that customers can come to visit and so forth? So this is for businesses. If your business has a location that is serving a certain community, you want to say yes. And if your business is only operating online, you're just selling online like a website and sort of and so forth, you want to say no. So in this case, I'll say no, because our business does not have like a physical office, but we are based online. But if your business, like maybe you are baking cakes, you have a spa, or you're a law firm and you're situated in a particular place, you want to say yes on that option. Then we're going to hit next, and it will take us to another option. And where do you serve your customers? This is optional. You can fill it now, you can fill it later, it doesn't really matter. But in this case, just for demonstration purposes, I'll show you, and I'll say Polokwane because that's where I'm currently located, and it's gonna give me that option over there, and I'll say next. So it's very important to tell it, especially when you don't have a physical space, like the business that we are currently registering right now. You want to tell Google which part of the world that you you are serving. So in this case, we've punched in Polokwane. Now it says what contact details do you want to show your customers. So in this case, I'll add my contact details over there. It's important to add the right contact details because Google will use this as a part of their verification process later on. So just make sure that you punch in the number that you're also going to be reached on as well. So you also want to put in your website if you do have one. So in this case, I'll say photographybranding.co.za. There we go. Then you hit next, and then it's going to take you on this option page here where it says please enter your address for verification process here. So you just need to enter your mailing address so that you can get verified, and in this case you have to just put in your personal address whereby they can be able to reach you via Google in case they want to send you something in for the verification process. So I'm just going to punch in my personal address there because this is the address that is not going to appear to the customer. As you can see here, it's written that the address you provide here will be hidden from the public. So yeah, post office boxes are not eligible. So you want to punch in the address and go like next. This is the address that Google will use just in case they want to get some sort of verification process from you over time. So now it says select a way to get verified. There are a number of ways to get verified. The options are phone code. They can contact you via your phone, or email code via your email, or you can do like a business video. So in this case, I'm going to go for the phone code option, and it's going to ask me, do I want to receive a text message or do I want to receive a call? So in this case, I'll just go for the text message so that we can receive a 6-digit code from Google to verify that this account is linked to this account. So we just received the code on my cell phone here. It's 753132, and then that. So now it will tell you that you are now verified. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat, blah blah blah, and then you want to hit next. And let's see what it says here. After that, it will say you must add your business hours, the hours that you're operating on. So if you're a law firm, you're operating between 9 and 5 o'clock, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You want to make sure that you put in that information here. If you close on Sundays and Saturdays, you punch in the information here. So in this case, we're doing a business that's going to be operating online. So it's going to be open 24/7, yeah, in this case. But for your business, you might have a different case, so you just want to add in the right information so that Google can be able to communicate that with your prospects. So yeah, 24 hours. Make sure that you also state the days that you're open, the ones that you're closed on, and just put in that information over there. So yeah, just take the time to really set it up because this is the cornerstone of your digital marketing. It's very important that you set it up. This is the first thing that customers see when they Google your name or your related keyword and your listing appears. So you just want to ensure that you do it right and you don't skip the process. So now it's looking for a business description. We're just gonna put it in there. You want to take some time on this one. Just start describing what your business is all about, what is it that you do, and all of that. So I'll say photography branding. We are all about improving business images in the digital marketplace. So if you are a business and you want to improve how you look online, you can talk to us. We can be able to help you. We help a lot of businesses do that so that you can appear on a great light to your prospects online. We help a lot of businesses do that, and we use a powerful a tool called photography. That's what we use. And yeah, you can talk to us. That's exactly what I'm going to punch in here: photography branding, improving businesses images in the digital marketplace. So It's something that I'm probably going to edit later on because you need to put in a lot of effort, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to leave it there. And you're going to hit next, and let's see where it takes us now. It's saying we must add images. This is so important. What you want to do is ensure that you add high quality images that displays what your brand is all about, your story, your mission, your vision, your values, your products and services, some of the events you've taken part in. You want to add all that information in your listing so that it reflects, so that you can be able to communicate that information to your customers. And also Google will be able to give you a better ranking if you have high quality images compared to your competitors. So you want to ensure that you put in the right images. And what would be fantastic that can help you as well is to rename the photos. As you can see here, the photos are IMG 8746. What you actually want to do is rename the photos as well according to what you do and your keywords and what is displayed on the photos. That is going to help you significantly on your ranking. And if you have videos that you can be able to upload as well, it will be incredible. It will be highly dope, because if you can add videos and have pictures, then you'll be able to get a better ranking. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the pictures of the work we've done previously. There we go, the behind the scenes, some of the work we've done as well. So I'm just gonna add that to our profile, and there we go. So yeah, they're gonna upload now. So you want to ensure that whatever that you're putting out there, it's high quality images, not just blurry images, not just low lit images, high quality images. It's gonna do you very good for your listing. It's gonna help you attract more customers. It's gonna help you establish credibility online. It's gonna make your brand attractive, and it's gonna help you stand out from your competitors. So this is where you actually want to take the time. If you've got images of your business, some of your previous activities that you've done, you want to ensure that you put them in a nice folder so that you can come and upload them on this profile, so that you can be able to take advantage of the ranking photos bring when it comes to your Google business profile. So once you have uploaded your images, you want to wait for them to load, and as you can see, it's taking a little bit of time, but basically that's what happens. So you want to just take your time and ensure that everything is uploaded, and you're gonna wait for verification after that. So all this information, it's gonna go to Google. Google will verify everything and take it from there. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause this video and wait for it to upload. Once you're done uploading your images, this is how it's gonna look like, to show that the images have been uploaded with none of them loading. So you know that your images are all uploaded for Google to verify them. And then what you actually want to do is come and hit next here. And after doing that, it's gonna take you to these options whereby it's telling you that you can claim 6,000 rands for your advertising credit, which is what we're gonna skip because I don't think our listing is ready for advertising as yet. So I'm gonna skip that. And also it's gonna talk about customizing your profile, offering you some of the offerings Google has to offer. If you want to have like a custom email, you want to have your own email with your own company branding, this is where you can be able to do it. So Google is giving you that offer. So you want to say skip if you want to skip, and then you can try Workspace if you want to do that. But in this case, I will say skip. These are the two options that I will skip. Now it's gonna tell me that your edits will be visible once you are verified. So normally it takes a couple of days for the Google business profile to be verified, but once you've done that, you are done. You just gotta wait for Google. They'll probably notify you via email that your Google business profile is ready to be viewed and all of that. And as you can see now, it's telling me that your business is not visible to customers as yet. Google is processing your verification. This is where I'm reading, and it may take up to 5 days. So It's not yet available online, but I'm just gonna have to wait for the verification process to take place. And once it's ready to go, I'm gonna receive an email notifying me that it's ready to go. So this is how you set up your Google business profile. And once you are done setting it up, you just want to come back and ensure that you edit your profile and add more things. And what you want to do as well, you want to set up a campaign for your reviews, asking customers to give you reviews for some of the work that you've done, some of the work that you do on a daily basis. After providing a service to a customer, just ask them for a review, because it's going to help you rank better on the online search engine. And you want to always keep on updating your photos. This is the section where you're going to be able to update your photos all the time. And then you also can be able to see your performance over here, where it shows you how many people are searching for the keyword, how they are finding you, how many people have asked for directions to your business. And these are the information that you want to continue. And then what I like about the new Google is that you can the Google business profile now is that you can be able to add updates, continuously add updates about your business. If you're moving to new locations, add updates. If you are having like a special price, add updates. If you are having this and that, new employees, job vacancies, and so forth, continuously add updates. And also you have an opportunity to have frequently asked questions, where you normally answer questions that a lot of people ask about your business. You can come and utilize the Q&A section here and take advantage of that. And now you can even make some bookings. Bookings. It allows you to make bookings. You just link it with your booking system, or just follow the prompts and so forth. And you can edit your services, you can edit some products. So it's an incredible tool. So once it's visible to the customers, I can be able to customers will be able to find my business. They'll be able to see what we're all about. But most importantly, it's very important that you also optimize it. You continue editing your profile and filling up the right information and adding high quality images, and putting your products there, listing them, and editing your services as well, your bookings and so forth. So you just want to do that. But in terms of setting it up, this is how you do it. And from there you'll be able to be found on Google through search and maps. And when customers are punching your keyword, in this case we've registered for photography branding, which is a photo agency. So when customers around my area, which is Polokwane, are looking for a photo agency, they will be able to find that Google listing. And this is how you set up your Google business profile using photos, so that you can be able to rank higher, so that you can attract new customers to your business. You can dominate your industry by dominating your keyword against your competitors, and be able to drive a lot of sales. So I hope this was insightful for you. If you need help, you can always have a chat with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. But I hope you're going to be able to set up that business listing for your business. It's a cornerstone for your marketing online. It's going to be able to do incredible things for you in terms of marketing your business to your online community. Yeah, let's meet next time.